Grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich recipe. A grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich is the perfect comfort food for a warm and satisfying breakfast, combining the creamy richness of peanut butter, the natural sweetness of bananas, and the satisfying crunch of toasted whole wheat bread. This quick and easy recipe is a treat for the taste buds. With just a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy a hearty meal that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Ingredients you'll need to make this delectable grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. Gather these simple ingredients. 2 tablespoons peanut butter. Choose creamy or crunchy depending on your preference. 2 slices of whole wheat bread for added fiber and a hearty texture. 1 medium banana, sliced into rounds for even distribution. Cooking spray to ensure a golden, crispy finish without sticking. Step-by-step directions. Step 1. Assemble your sandwich. Spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter onto 1 slice of bread. Arrange banana slices evenly over the peanut butter layer. Spread the remaining 1 tablespoon of peanut butter onto the second slice of bread. Place the second slice of bread over the bananas, peanut butter side down, and press gently to secure. Step 2. Grill the sandwich. Spray a skillet with cooking spray and heat it over medium heat. Place the sandwich onto the skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the peanut butter is melted. Step 3. Serve and enjoy. Remove the sandwich from the skillet, slice it diagonally for easy handling, and serve immediately. For an extra touch, drizzle with honey or dust with powdered sugar before serving. Tips for the best grilled peanut butter and banana sandwich. Choose the right peanut butter. Natural peanut butter adds a wholesome flavor, while classic peanut butter provides a touch of sweetness. Try different bread options. While whole wheat is nutritious, you can use white bread, sourdough, or even cinnamon raisin bread for variety. Add extra flavors. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or add a drizzle of honey inside the sandwich before grilling. Avoid overheating. Use medium heat to ensure the bread toasts evenly without burning while allowing the peanut butter to melt.